Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where elegance meets perfection. Today, we invite you on an unforgettable journey through one of Malibu's most breathtaking ocean view estates, a masterpiece that redefines luxury living in every sense. Priced at $19,900,000, this stunning residence at 29,600 Harvester Road, Malibu, California, showcases world-class design, extraordinary craftsmanship, and an unmatched connection to the sea. From the moment you arrive, you are greeted by serenity and sophistication. Perched high on a 3.3-acre ocean view lot, this architectural marvel commands attention with its sleek modern design and flawless blend of glass, stone, and steel. Lush gardens filled with roses and vibrant greenery surround the home, creating a tranquil environment that feels both private and expansive. Dual entry gates led into the grand circular driveway and the spacious three-car garage, setting the tone for the elegance that awaits inside. As you walk through the entryway, panoramic ocean views open before you, capturing the natural beauty of Malibu in every direction. The open-concept living area flows effortlessly with high ceilings, floor-to-ceiling glass walls, and soft natural light. Every detail has been crafted with precision, from the contemporary stone fireplace to the seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. The living room connects directly to a stunning terrace overlooking the Infinity Edge pool, a perfect place to relax and watch the sunset paint the sky. The heart of this estate is the gourmet kitchen, a true work of art designed for both function and beauty. An oversized marble island anchors the space, surrounded by custom cabinetry, top-of-the-line appliances, and a stylish breakfast bar. Whether you're preparing a family meal or hosting a lavish dinner, this kitchen offers everything you need. Right next to it, the elegant dining area overlooks the Pacific Ocean, an unforgettable setting for gatherings filled with laughter, conversation, and fine dining. Upstairs, the home reveals its most private and personal spaces. Each of the bedrooms opens to its own terrace, ensuring every morning begins with sunlight and sea breeze. The primary suite is a sanctuary of comfort and design, spacious, secluded, and serene. It features dual-end suites, an in-room coffee station, and walls of glass that frame Malibu's endless blue horizon. Here, luxury becomes a lifestyle. The remaining bedrooms maintain the same standard of excellence, offering refined finishes, custom lighting, and spa-quality bathrooms that elevate everyday living. The master bathroom feels like a five-star spa, complete with a freestanding soaking tub, dual vanities, a walk-in shower, and elegant marble accents. Every bathroom in this home carries that same sense of calm sophistication, soft tones, modern fixtures, and impeccable craftsmanship. This residence also includes a state-of-the-art home theater, a fitness studio, and a steam room with sauna, ensuring wellness and entertainment are never out of reach. There's even a private one-bedroom, one-bath apartment, ideal for guests or staff, designed with the same level of attention and detail as the main home. Outside, the experience is nothing short of magical. The Infinity Edge pool seems to melt into the ocean, creating a seamless visual connection between water and sky. Multiple fire pits and lounge areas provide perfect spaces for entertaining under the stars. The outdoor kitchen, manicured lawns, and lush gardens offer endless possibilities for relaxation and celebration. Every inch of this property celebrates California's coastal beauty and the joy of open-air living. This home is not just a place to live, it's a statement. It embodies the pinnacle of modern design, where architecture, nature, and lifestyle exist in perfect harmony. From its panoramic ocean views to its bespoke interiors, every corner of this estate tells a story of vision and excellence. A heartfelt thank you to Berlin Media, the incredible creative team behind the visuals of this property. Their world-class photography and videography bring this masterpiece to life, allowing viewers to experience its beauty and scale from anywhere in the world. At American Dream Mansions, we celebrate extraordinary properties, exceptional design, and the dream of luxury living. If you love discovering the world's most exclusive homes, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new showcase. This Malibu mansion isn't just a home, it's an experience, an escape, and a symbol of coastal perfection. From sunrise to sunset, from infinity pool to ocean horizon, every view tells a story of luxury, art, and inspiration. Thank you for joining us here on American Dream Mansions, where your dream home becomes reality.